All right, good day, 5-minute traders. Wanted to, again, pause a little bit this morning. The Dow is making new highs. Let's talk about that. I'll bring up a chart here real quickly just so you can see. I mean, it is what it is, of course, but this is one of the most amazing charts that I've seen in maybe my life as a trader. I've seen this in penny stocks. I've seen this in so many other things. But when you have an index like we do with the Dow, and you don't understand how capital flows work, you probably wouldn't understand this. But this is just telling me that money is rushing and chasing right now to the United States. It's got nowhere else to go in the world. There's nothing else that it can explain how the Dow continues to be a parabolic destroyer. What do I mean by that? Well, September 8th or so, we were trading right here at around 21,600, and today we're sitting at 23,400, which is it's about 2,700 points that we've gone up now in less than 2 months. And that's a significant move in the Dow. That's 30 stocks that are being pumped up to the tune of 15% in 2 months. So we haven't had a pullback in a long, long time, a significant pullback of even 1%. Matter of fact, I think the last one probably occurred. This may have been 1% here, but this was probably a 1% move back in mid-August. So since we took off out of that range, we've really just exploded, and I just wanted to show that. But the idea I have today revolves kind of around that, and it's kind of a counter. It's kind of instead of trying to catch a top on the Dow, which I think is it's difficult right now. I wouldn't try to play that game. I think you're going to be better served maybe trying to pick up some of the euro again. Why do I say that? Well, I think we've kind of found an area here to hold. And as long as we can hold this 170 area again here on a Friday close, buying today at 179.80, down here to 175, is probably a good spot to enter. So we've had a pullback again. This is basically we've had this huge pullback, tried to rise. We made a low, but a higher low, another higher low versus this low, and we're starting to turn again here. And I think we can see a little run again in the euro. So let's take a look at the euro today, and again look for a move. We are wrong if it closes below this 170 area on a weekend close. So again, only on Fridays. So this is for swing traders. Again, I want to point this out. Today is October 24th. It is 8:30 a.m. on the Pacific Coast. We wanted to let things settle, but we're going to pick up some euro here. 179.70 down to 170 even. So it's quite a range, but this is how you have to play with the euro futures. So we're going to pick that up. Again, wrong if we close below 170 on a weekend close, which would be this Friday, next Friday, the following Friday. And pull profits where you want, but I think you could at least get a move up to this 180 to 185 area. So that is it, 190 area. So yeah, basically from 185 up to 190 in here. Somewhere in here I'd be looking to pull the trade off. That's it. Again, have a great day. Be careful out there. This is a strange, low volatility, awkward market. And it's better to be small and safe right now than it is to be super aggressive. I don't like to be super aggressive until I have a better idea of when and if volatility will come back into this market.